Okay, now we are going to go to the Python Turtle. This is a module that allows user to control the turtle drawing on the screen through programming. This turtle can move, draw lines, draw pictures, etc. It is very suitable for learning the basic programming, especially for those who are interested in graphic drawing. Once you've set up your Python environment, you are ready to embark on an artistic journey that will bring you, your imagination, to life on the canvas of your computer screen. Through the magic Python Turtle, you will be able to create awe-inspiring visual compositions that are both visually captivating and intellectually stimulating. The basic concepts, CTotal, okay, is a virtual total that moves around the screen and draw graphics. Brush. The brush on the turtle can set colors, thickness, etc. Screen. The stage. For turtle drawing, you can set the size, background color, etc. Key features: you can move, brush controls, drawing, and others like set the screen background, display text, etc. Here we show an example, very simple example. Let's check this one. Here it is this, and we can run the program. So it shows that a turtle goes right and down, and we use some commands like pen, color, pen size, forward, right, forward, down. Okay. Then number 2 is this one. This one we can run this program. Okay. On here, the turtle goes on the screen and draw a shape of sun. Okay, funny. Okay, then we can go. See here. Advanced application. In the command of turtle, you can use do function, color control, and interactive, like Python interactive mode. And also, you can get many learning resources by serving the Google resource. Python Turtle is a very suitable tool for beginners to learn programming. Through simple instruction, you can create interesting graphics and cultivate programming logical thinking. Okay, these are resources and reference. You can go and take it. And also, I add a turtle programming website for you, and you can see how they do it with the turtle. We just show you the 0 and 1, and we also have totally we collect 18 examples. And the very last, I have a Taiwan ROC national flag here, and please complete this one here in the number 15. In number 15, you can finish this picture. Okay, now let me show one by one. This turtle one, We can go next. Number 2, draw a square, then run. Okay, this is square. You can see using a loop to do it. Then go next for 3. Sunflower. This is another kind of sunflower. Okay, go next. And then heart. Draw on a heart. Okay, cute. And then go next for number 5. Show you the rainbow. Using different color and draw a half circle using different color. And then this is number 5. And then 3, recursive. If you want to know what is recursive, you can check this one. In here, this is the function of your definition. And inside the function, you will call the draw tree again here inside the subfunction. This is the definition of the recursive. See, it will go back, and eventually the turtle will go down to the root of the tree for the ending of this drawing. Okay, this is recursive. And open number 8, animation drawing alphabet. It will show you 2 alphabet. One is H, one is I. This is number 8. And then open for number 9. It's random. It's rainbow or random. It's a random number. Using the random number to draw a picture. So the picture is also random. It could be various kind of the picture. Okay, let's stop here. And then for the 10, it's rainbow shape. So a 6 side and different color. When it finish a shape, then it will rotate a little degree of angles. Wow, this is beautiful. And then and when it is done, I always do like this. Okay, then stop. And I will take the picture and save it. This one is this one. Okay, save. Okay, now we will go to the next for number 11. 11 circle pattern. Oh, good. Using four different color, and rotate to draw the circle. And then for the next one, number 12. It's a triangle. Three triangle. Three triangle. Then three triangle. Oh, so you can be using the recursive to draw this picture. And also you may use for or while loop to make it. Think about the algorithm of drawing the picture like this. It's a very good topic for the photo design or picture design. Okay, finished. It could be used recursive again. So let's go next. This is 12, then we go to the 13, then run. Wow, a total, draw a spiral pace, then go next. This is our picture. A very popular topic in Taiwan to teach the students to draw the picture. To draw this like sunshade, you got to have a strong trigonometric concept. And then we have number 15. It's incomplete. It's incomplete. So I hope that you guys can finish this one. Put the picture inside. I do have a picture in this. Here, this one. Here. And then this one. And this one. And this is your picture. National flag. This one. So you have to finish this. I can do just put the picture, the core picture inside. Okay, then go next for 16. Number 16. is this one. You can draw the picture, go picture to the middle on the screen. Wow, it's a super picture. Okay, then 17. Circle, square, out. Using different color. And the scratch is the same way to draw the picture. Then the last one, we collect it here, rotate, square. Using different color. This point is the center. And it will show different random color. The random color in here, we are using C, CR, CG, RGB, and all are random from 0 to 1. It's okay, it's a random number from 0 to 1. So the value it comes with 0 point something. Okay, then we can show the picture like this one. Okay, anyway, this is what we have for all our Kenya photos. So yeah, the last one is use Python Turtle to draw national flag. I have done this one, and now your job to finish this one. Okay, after you finish this one, please submit your job in our assignment. Thank you.